Verizon. Bulls say. A relentless focus on network strength over the past 15 years has put Verizon in an enviable position. Its wireless network provides the broadest coverage in the industry, and its reputation with customers is sterling. While other wireless carriers are tangled up in merger activity, Verizon is relentlessly pushing forward in its core business, expanding its fiber optic network and deploying 5G wireless technology. With the largest customer base in the U.S., Verizon Wireless is also the most efficient carrier in the industry, delivering far better profitability than its rivals. Bears say. Wireless technology is dramatically lowering the cost to build and maintain a network. Existing carriers have a clear path to rapidly deploy new standards as they become available, often through software upgrades. Verizon's network leadership will soon be a thing of the past. Verizon's balance sheet isn't the fortress it once was. Paying down debt will limit strategic flexibility and shareholder returns. Verizon's fixed-line business is a disaster, earning minimal profits today and facing years of high costs supporting declining businesses. Analyst Ratings. Buy, 30%. Hold, 70%. Sell, 0%. Market cap, $236.32 billion. Average volume, 21.36 millions. Dividend yield, 4.54%. AT&T. Bulls say. WarnerMedia holds a broad array of content rights and has a strong reputation with content creators. Within the wireless business, AT&T holds the scale needed to remain a strong competitor over the long term. Sprint and T-Mobile face a long road as they attempt to merge disparate networks and cultures. AT&T has pulled together assets no other media or telecom company can match. The firm has direct contact with more than 170 million customers across various products, providing an opportunity to build deeper relationships that drive increased revenue and loyalty. Bears say. Supporting declining businesses, like fixed-line phone service, creates a drag on profits that will only grow over time. AT&T's massive debt load and hefty dividend payout leave little financial flexibility. The dividend will get cut at the first sign of trouble. Advancing technology will swamp AT&T's best businesses over the next decade. New wireless technologies will enable a host of firms to enter the business, commoditizing this service. Ubiquitous, high-quality internet access will allow content creators to easily reach audiences without the help of platforms like HBO. Analyst Ratings. Buy, 43%. Hold, 54%. Sell, 4%. Market cap, $266.11 billion. Average volume, 46.60 millions. Dividend yield, 5.91%. As always, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.